I am doing a second recording of this video. The first one came out unusable, completely out of focus, like blurred to the point where I couldn't really see anything. So I'm doing a look with the ColourPop Honey palette. I've been doing focusing on my monochromatic palettes from ColourPop for the past week or so. I want to get through all of them. I have 9 of these palettes. And I want to do at least a couple of looks with all of them where I focus solely on the individual palette without veering off into other like singles or other palettes too much, so I can get a good feel for like all the shades in these palettes. I've only ever reached for maybe 1 or 2 of the shades at a time when I didn't have something like that in another palette that I was working out of. So hopefully this turns into kind of a fun little series. I'm going to take the shade Stinger on a fluffy brush and I'm going to put that in the transition area. Next, I'm going into Totally Buggin on a slightly more narrow fluffy brush, and I'm going to put that in the crease. Now I'm taking Buzzkill and I'm going to put that on the outer half of my lid with a flat shader. Now I'm going to take Sweet Spot with a different flat shader and I'm going to put that on the inner half of the lid. I'm going to take Totally Buggin again and I'm going to put that on the inner lower lash line. And then I'm going to take Queen Bee on a thick eyeliner brush and I'm going to put that on the outer lower lash line. Now I'm going to take a white eyeshadow. This is Snow Queen from Sydney Grace. And I'm going to put that on the inner corner and brow bone. And I'm going to take Sunburst and apply that over the white eyeshadow on the inner corner.